Welcome to EdbMails, PST to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails PST to Exchange Migrator quickly recovers and migrates data from offline PST files directly to live Exchange servers. It ensures precise recovery of mailbox items, including emails, calendars, contacts, tasks, and more, even from corrupt or inaccessible PST files. EdbMails streamlines the migration process with its user-friendly interface, supporting seamless handling of large PST files. With EdbMails, you can preview all PST file contents before migration, offering complete visibility into your data. The software upholds data integrity and utilizes advanced security protocols, including SSL/TLS encryption and OAuth 2.0. EdbMails complies with industry standards such as ISO, GDPR, and HIPAA, ensuring a secure environment for PST to live Exchange migration. Let's walk through the step-by-step procedure for migrating PST files to live Exchange server with EdbMails. Download EdbMails from official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process. Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Outlook PST Recovery, PST to Office 365, PST to Exchange. Click Let's Go. Click Browse for PST. Select the PST file. Click Open. Click Continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the item. Select the folder that you wish to export. Select Migrate to Live Exchange. Select the required connection options. Click Next. Connect to target Exchange server. Select Exchange server version. Click Login. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue. Migration operation under progress. Migration completed. Click OK. Click the View Log button to get migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free PST to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.